Good morning, my name is Roberto Gil. I'm a student of University Bicentenaria of Aragua. In this occasion, I will talk about the connectors. Connectors. To connect ideas and sentences, linking to word helps when you speak or write in English language, facilitating to expression of ideas and the communication in conversation, in talking with person. And the connector cause and effects principle. So because as science differed and has result consequently due to because of in derivation some they used to be indicate the reason consequence and immediately action. Some common example because and so for direct cause and effects. The example, it's raining, so I won't drive. And he didn't pay the instant claim and consequently lost the car. The condition connector provides a condition to what has been started. Are used to link condition and the result expressing hypothetical scenarios. The most common are if, unless, as long, other much, in case, other size, and supposing, are so also establishing differentiating type condition. Example: we will go on the beach if not rain tomorrow, and unless I don't lose a single game, it will a perfect season. Thank you very much for your attention.